just sorting out my hair. Hi, I think I'm live now. Always a great time to go live when you're trying to faff around with your hair. Yeah, hi. So, Jen Lillian, welcome to this training. This week is all about crafting your offer. So if you're brand new to the group, I just want to wish you a big warm welcome. Hello, welcome to the group. And if you're new to these video series, I have been, or from last week, I'm going to be releasing one each and every week. If you've been in my group for a while, because I've actually, I think this is like 2 years old, this group, I've only just really picked it up, and I do apologise. I'm actually getting around to messaging you individually to see if this is a group that you still want to be in, because I've had a few changes in the last couple of years, but yeah, due to also my my lifestyle. But I hope you're well. So we're during 2020, the pandemic, and this is just like the most important time ever in my eyes to go online. Like, I've been wanting to deliver a program which I've just about finished, created. I'm so proud of it. I'm looking for beta testers to go through the program, but going online when you have a business, whether that's offline or online, is just the way forward. And I think the pandemic has certainly accelerated the need, the urge to do your marketing practices in a different way. So if you are a coach of some sort, obviously I'm in the health and fitness industry. I've had 4 indoor cycling studios in my time, so I do more so like to help those in the health and fitness industry, more so just because of my experiences, and I know what it's like to set up and run businesses in that area. But if you're a health professional, and also if you are just like a coach of any sort, I can help you. And if you have like an offline business or an online business, it really doesn't matter, because this system that I'm going to help you build into your business, and there's a free version which we're going to be talking about in this video, can help you generate high quality leads and clients into your business. So if you look down from the video, there's like a thread, there's a playlist, and it's how to build your online marketing business system. So step by step, I take you through 30 videos. I mean, this is not like an overnight thing that you can just implement into your business. You do need to have time, energy, space, capacity to actually do this. And if you understand the power of building this system, once you've built one out, you can just literally take that, use that as a template, and then roll out another program or service or product, whatever it is that you might sell, more so for programs and services and courses. So I think it's a very good thing to take the time out from your busy schedule and learn something like this, to learn and utilise the power of using and utilising the online digital strategies in order to help you get not just leads into your business, but high quality leads into your business. So in that free version, again, the link is below, I use a live example. One of my clients, his name's John, he's actually run multiple businesses himself, but offline. And we have been together working to create that series. I'm actually going to be referring to video number 1, so creating your offer. So I'm going to presume you already have a program or a service that you want more people to purchase. And you are looking not just for leads, but high quality leads. And what do I mean by that? Because any type of marketer, obviously I'm now like an online marketer, as I've graduated away from running my businesses into this arena. Anyone really can get leads, and it's my cat. Hello Sid, just say hello to everyone. Cats and lives, eh? Look, he's from Shanghai. He's obviously the picture behind as well. My little Shanghainese souvenir. I lost my train of thoughts now. Yeah, any marketer can get you leads, which is great. And if that's just what you want, loads of leads, and awesome. But you tend to find that you need to sieve through those leads. And this system helps you qualify those prospects, those leads, into warm, if not very hot buying customers at the end of the process. So once you've built out this machine, like, you will have a machine that sits comfortably behind the scenes of your business that pretty much does 90% of the heavy lifting for you. And once it's built out, once it's done, it's done. So when you get to the end, or when your prospect, the lead as such, goes from the cold to the warm to the hot type flow, the process that the system takes them through. But at the end of their experience through this funnel, this system that we can build out together, you have that joyful experience of talking to them on the phone. They know what you're about, what your program's about, the price points that your program is at, and they're pretty much ready to buy on the phone. And there's different levers when it comes to this business system. So you can only measure something that's measurable, right? Like if there's points that you can put stats towards, and then you can see what's working and what's not. And this is what and why I think a machine is just so important to have in your business, because if you revert back to traditional old school methods and marketing ways, like flyering on the streets or joint ventures or word of mouth, I mean, they are very powerful in their own right, of course they are. However, that you can't measure the results. Yeah, you might be able to put a code on your flyer and you might be able to get leads into your door through that, but you don't really know where the majority of the leads are coming from, and you can't also know how many leads can come into your business as well. So this again is the power of learning how to build a system like we can talk about in this group, and that you can go off and implement. So follow the playlist. If this is something you want, there is a free version, and this training is about creating the offer. So again, if you have a program or a course and it's between £100 to £500 if you're in the UK, you can translate into euros and US dollars, and an exchange rate is a bit funny at the moment, but yeah, between £100 and £500, then roughly, you just reverse engineer your numbers back. So I do tend to find in the health and fitness space in particular, the sweet spot to build a machine around this price point usually sits behind or around the area of £197. So in the example that I use, John as my client example, we were working towards a £5,000 per month figure. So I don't know if that excites you, I don't know if that completely bores you, if I've just turned you off already. I don't obviously know where you are in your business, but if £5,000 is something that you would like extra in your business or would like to work towards in your business, this machine can help you get there and beyond. But obviously we're here learning the nuts and bolts of the business system. So in this video series, I walk you through landing pages, I walk you through the application, how to create that. I also walk you through just what you need to do, and then we also touch up on Facebook ads as a way of and a way of, my phone just went off then, and a way of powering your system once it's created. So yeah, John we used is £197, and then if the goal as per training program, you'll see we use as a target is £5,000. So obviously divide that by £197 per program. Obviously that's just over 25 sales a month. So John now knows that his KPI is 25 sales a month. He knows exactly where he is in his business with his numbers. So he needs to be converting 6 sales per week from his system. And you can also buffer up your efforts with organic marketing strategies as well. But we're here to talk about the machine. So once you get your first machine, your first funnel working, you can then multiply your streams of revenue by creating other funnels and systems. But that's pretty much where it's at. If you have a program already, awesome. If you think you've got a program in there somewhere in your head, or you can just create something that your clients want, or you feel like you have to now go online due to the the challenges of 2020, then yeah, please hit me up, give me a call, because I've just got this beta version. It's a condensed version of the free version. The program, I would like to call it, is Build My Client Base Faster. So you've got 6 hours of content in the free video series. Again, the link is below. But if you want to join me in the beta version of this program, it's actually just over 2 hours of content. So it condenses everything in the free version, and you get 1 month of coaching with me as well. And I literally, with you, go through step by step how to build this with you. So you get an online program, you get access to a portal, you can go off instantly once you and I've had a quick phone call. Again, the link is below for us to have a chat to see if you and I could be a good fit. You have instant access to the program. And I also have another group, and I with you coach you through creating this this system, help you make it with you. So short and sweet this video. I'm going to be next week talking about video number 3. I can't remember off the top of my head which one that was, but yes, stay with me, stay in the group if you want to. I'm here to help. I understand the frustration it can be when you struggle to get high quality leads and clients into your business. If you don't like the idea of just like wondering when or what or how many leads are going to come through next month to pay X, Y, and Z, then I've been there. It's not a pleasant place when you're just forever chasing your tail, trying to get quality leads and clients in the door. So yeah, this is definitely more reliable, very much predictable once you get it ticking over, and it will save you just so much stress. That's been my experience anyway, if you were to change things from traditional ways to like the online marketing way. So any questions, again, just give me a shout. But thanks for listening, and I will see you next week in the next training. Thank you.